How to save your favorite restaurants on Grubhub. To save your favorite restaurants on Grubhub, you may follow up these steps. So what you can do is you may open up the Grubhub application first. And then once you open up Grubhub application, you can either reorder from your past orders or use the favorite feature on the Grubhub application. So from your home screen, or you can even use the search bar at the top and search for restaurants or dishes and browse through them. But for now, let's head over to the home page and look out for the restaurant. So there are a bunch of restaurants available on our screen. So if I would like to favorite one of my restaurants, let's say Chick-fil-A. So if I would like to save that restaurant as my favorite restaurant, all you gotta do is you need to look out for the heart icon beside them. So beside each of the item and beside each of the restaurants, you should be finding a heart option. You just need to locate that up. After that, tap on it. And once you do, that particular will be that particular restaurant will be saved as your favorite restaurant on Grubhub. You can just go ahead and follow up the steps, and that restaurant has been added to your favorites. You can also go ahead and read order from the particular restaurants, like from previously where you have directly ordered, and it will make it easy for you to reorder in the future. And that way, also, you can save it as your favorite restaurants on Grubhub. So that's it. You may follow up this method. It is pretty quick and easy. You just need to hard it out, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.